Okay, we're here on the back of the 1040A, and you see the first thing that you have to do is enter the amount from line 21 on the other side, your AGI. So we just put that right over here. We see $80,175. So that $80,175 goes right there on line 22. Okay, now we start working our way down. So line 23, you're going to check this off if either A, you're old, or B, you're blind. We are neither old nor blind, so there's no boxes checked there. That's going to be a 0, and that'll be the case for all of our examples in this class. Married filing separately, that's not the case either, so we don't have to worry about that. So now we get to line 24, enter your standard deduction. And again, this is a case where many students want to put a 0 right here because they don't know what the standard deduction is. The standard deduction is connected to this balloon right here over on the left. So if we look at this balloon or this bubble, we have to identify, we know that we are married filing jointly. So this is single or married filing separately. This is married filing jointly. So this number right here, 12,600, that's going to go up the balloon across and over to line 24, 12,600. This should never be 0. Okay, you're always putting a number in here because even if you're single, you're still putting a number. Line 24 is never 0. Now it says subtract 24 from 22, and again everything is lined up perfectly. So we have 5 right there, 7 right there, and 1 minus 6, we're going to make that 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. And by the way, you can do all of this with the calculator. That's completely fine. We're going to end up with $67,575. Okay, now we get to the exemptions. It says multiply 4,050 by the number on line 6D. And just a quick note, your numbers here at on line 26 and here on line 24, they may be slightly different because the tax form that I have in front of me, you can see is 2016. I can't recall if you have a 2016 or a 2015 form that's in the yellow folder. So again, those numbers might be slightly off. No big deal. Just use the ones that are given to you on your sheet. So if we go back here, line 6D, or the box in 6D, we see we wrote a 4 in here. So that means that we're going to multiply 4,050 by 4. All right, so 4 times 4,050, that's 16,000, and 4 times 50 is 200, so 16,200, that's the number that I'm going to put in for box 26. Box 27 is another math line, subtract 26 from 25. All right, so again, it's lined up perfectly for us. We can just do the math. So 5, 7, 3, 1, $51,375, and this is known as our taxable income. Okay, so we're going to use this number to figure out how much tax we should pay. And just like on the 1040 easy, we have to go to the instructions to do that. So at this point, you would Google 1040A instructions. It's a bigger PDF document. Swipe down. You're looking to go down a bunch of pages, maybe about 60 pages or so, and we're looking for the number 51,375. So we're going to do that, and we'll come back and we'll finish up the form from that point.